Hi, my name is Somak, and this is a joint work with Vishesh Agarwal and Naveen Goyal from Microsoft Research. And I will discuss our work on analyzing transformers' abilities to do polynomial simplification tasks. Recently, Lampel and Sharton in 2019 showed that transformers can be trained to successfully perform mathematical tasks such as integration and differential equations in an end-to-end manner. Parallelly, there have been also quite some success in using deep learning to do proofs of mathematical theorems in higher order logic. For example, the series of work on HOL from Google Research and the IMO Grand Challenge has been particularly inspiring. The core problem there is work backwards from the hypothesis and find a sequence of tactics that can prove it using the initial assumptions. But there is some gap where we don't exactly understand how transformers do so well in solving mathematical tasks in one shot. So, we are primarily interested in two problems. Complex tasks often require multiple steps. So we ask, can I show intermediate steps to reach the solution? Secondly, such tasks often have well-defined subtasks, such as addition, multiplication in integration problem. Can we then investigate which subtasks transformers do not implicitly generalize on? To investigate further, we came up with a synthetic polynomial simplification setting. We generate a random polynomial as a sum of products and simplify it using a well-defined algorithm consisting of three phases. First, we simplify the individual factors such as x1 plus 2x1 becomes 3x1. Then, we multiply out the factors in the products. Finally, we add together the simplified products. This example proof sequence shown here is for a setting called course. We also explored a finer setting where we perform even less simplification per step. To compare these to the past approaches, we have the endpoint setting where the model directly outputs the final simplified polynomial without any intermediate steps. Compared to previous work, our work explores mathematical problems with a view of performing the task in multiple steps. There is some limited notion of search involved in what operations the model should do at each step. Similar to previous work, we generate our own synthetic data to test the models on. We report multiple metrics to evaluate our models. The first and most important is proof accuracy. We train the model to generate the next simplified polynomial. The proof is generated by feeding the model output recursively and using greedy decoding. Such a proof is marked correct if the final answer and all intermediate steps are correct. We use this to compare against the endpoint accuracy, where the model only has to output the final answer in one code. Then we also classify the model errors based on the type of simplification step, addition, multiplication, or factor simplification. Lastly, we propose a calibration metric to quantify how sure the model is of its output. We take the log ratio of the probabilities assigned by the model to its two top predictions using Beam5 decoding. We analyze vanilla transformer models on multiple dimensions of problem complexity, such as increasing coefficient range, number of terms, degree of terms, etc. We made two important observations from these initial experiments. Accuracies quickly degrade for larger configurations and maximum errors occur in multiplication. To alleviate these issues, we explored two interesting approaches. First approach we call the symbolic calculator setting, where the arithmetic is offloaded to an external calculator and the model only performs symbol manipulation and next step reduction. So to do 3 into x1 plus 4 into x1, model will output 3 plus 4 into x1, and then the calculator will simplify 3 plus 4 as 7. Secondly, we explored a mastering rate based curriculum learning algorithm to exploit the naturally defined subtasks from Williams et al. 2020. Both of these showed huge gains up to 10 to 20% over the vanilla transformer models in different settings. Lastly, to summarize, transformers do indeed learn more subtasks implicitly while trained on a composite task. but suffers heavily on multiplication and degrades with large coefficient settings, even with extensive hyperparameter tuning. Symbolic calculator and curriculum learning helps to circumvent these problems to a large extent, and we have many such fine-grained interesting observations. We welcome you to read the paper and come to our poster session in ICLR Math AI workshop. Thank you.